आज का हमारा टॉपिक है मैग्नेटिक प्रॉपर्टीज ऑफ सॉलिड्स। द मैग्नेटिक प्रॉपर्टीज ऑफ डिफरेंट मटेरियल्स आर स्टडीड इन टर्म्स ऑफ देयर मैग्नेटिक मोमेंट्स which are due to the orbital motion and spinning motion of the electrons. As electron is a charged particles, its orbital motion produces a small field along the axis of rotation, and its spinning motion produces a small magnetic field along the spin axis. Thus, each electrons may be considered as a small magnetic having a resultant permanent magnetic moment. Orbital magnetic moments of electron due to the orbital motions, atomic nucleus, orbit, electrons, and spin magnetic moments of electron due to the spin motion. मैग्नेटिक मोमेंट को हम म्यू से डिनोट करते हैं और इसका फॉर्मूला मैग्नेटिक मोमेंट इसको अंडर रूट n+2 bm। bm क्या है? बोहर मैग्नेट्रॉन इसका यूनिट है। वेयर n इक्वल टू n क्या होता है? नंबर ऑफ अनपेयर्ड इलेक्ट्रॉन्स। bm जो है इसका मैग्नेटिक मोमेंट का यूनिट है, इसको बोलते हैं बोहर मैग्नेट्रॉन्स। Based on the behavior of the external magnetic field, the substances are divided into different categories: diamagnetic substance, paramagnetic substance, ferromagnetic substance, and antiferromagnetic substance, ferrimagnetic substance. Now diamagnetic substance. diamagnetic substance क्या होते हैं? Substance which are repelled by the external magnetic fields are called diamagnetic substance. जो एक्सटर्नल मैग्नेटिक फील्ड से रिपेल्ड होते हैं वो डायमैग्नेटिक सब्सटेंस होते हैं। फॉर एग्जांपल जो है TiO2, H2O, NaCl, बेंजीन, ये सब जो है डायमैग्नेटिक सब्सटेंस है। द प्रॉपर्टी दस एग्जिबिटेड इज कॉल्ड डायमैग्नेटिज्म। जो इस फेनोमेनन है, इस जो प्रॉपर्टी एग्जिबिट करते हैं सब्सटेंस, उसको डायमैग्नेटिज्म बोलते हैं। This property is shown only by those substances with filled orbitals, that is no unpaired electrons are present। जहाँ पे कोई भी unpaired electrons नहीं हो वो substance जो है diamagnetic substance होते हैं। Now paramagnetic substances which are by the external magnetic fields are called paramagnetic substances। जो external magnetic field की तरफ attract होते हैं, attracted by the external magnetic fields are called paramagnetic substance। The property thus exhibited is called paramagnetism. This property is shown by those substances whose atoms, ions or molecules contain unpaired electrons। जहाँ पे जो मॉलिक्यूल्स या एटम या आयन जो होंगे अनपेयर्ड इलेक्ट्रॉन होंगे, जहाँ पे अनपेयर्ड इलेक्ट्रॉन होंगे वहाँ पैरामैग्नेटिक सब्सटेंस है। O2, Cu2+, Fe3+ and chromium 3+। Now ferromagnetic substance which show permanent magnetism even in the absence of the magnetic field are called ferromagnetic substance Such substance remains permanently magnetized. These substances are जो ferromagnetic substance होते हैं are very strongly attracted by a magnetic field. The reason for such a magnetic behavior by these substances is that in the solid state, the metal ions of these substances are grouped together into the small regions. The metal ion of these substances are grouped together into a small region are called domains. Now antiferromagnetic substances. Antiferromagnetic substances which are expected to possess paramagnetism or ferromagnetism on the basis of magnetic moment of the domains, but actually they possess zero net magnetic moments are called antiferromagnetic substances. For example, manganese oxide, MnO. Antiferromagnetism is due to the presence of equal number of domains in the opposite directions. Now ferrimagnetic substances क्या है? Substances which are expected to possess large magnetism on the basis of the magnetic moments of the domains but actually have small net magnetic moments are called ferrimagnetic substance, फॉर एग्जाम्पल इसका अगर देखें तो मैग्नेटाइट्स, मैग्नेटाइट्स Fe 3O4